Hello YouTube, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a pen BB gun. First, you're going to need a pen tube. The pen tube. Okay. And you're going to need a mechanical pencil. So, first what you're going to do is take that out, get a knife, or you can just twist it off like this. Or chew it off, in your opinion. And just take it out. Now, I recommend you cut this black thing off. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's your choice. Then, you're going to grab some rubber bands. Just place it somewhere. Make a little chip on the side of these things. Now, if you watch other tutorials of how to make this, they're going to show you, they're gonna make you, tape a chopstick over here. Yeah, I don't do that. Shove that in like that. Do this. And while you're at it, just tie it up. Now, if you want to make this into a automatic pistol, you just have to make a hole on the pipe. Just make the hole big enough for a BB bullet to travel through, and that'll be it. Okay, now you're done. Now, let's see how good this is. Just like this. You can carry this to school, shoot somebody, just don't get caught by teachers. Good enough. Well, thank you for watching.